Here's another question that you could see on your instrument check write, and it's reviewing what's covered in an IPC, or Instrument Proficiency Check. Now, if you remember, an IPC is required if you go 12 full months without completing your 66 hits, which is, of course, your 6 approaches in the last 6 months, including holding, intercepting, and tracking. Now, if you get asked what is covered on an IPC, you can easily find out by going to your instrument ACS. You can access this ACS by going to your for-flight documents and the FAA drive into handbooks. Scroll near the back of the ACS to find what's required for an instrument proficiency check. Luckily, I already have this bookmarked. You should too. Here, you'll find a 2-column table. The left column for the required area of operation and the right column for the required task. Now, how do you know exactly what's included in an IPC? That's a great question. I'm glad you asked. Well, we can clearly forget about areas of operation 1 and 2, since there are no required tasks. So let's go find area of operation 3 and task B. Task B is holding procedures, so that will be covered in an IPC. Moving on to area of operation 4 and task B, which is recovery from unusual attitudes, a classic. Area of Operation 5, Task A, is intercepting and tracking navigational aids and DME arcs. Now, everything from Area of Operation 6 will be covered in an IPC, which definitely makes sense considering it includes a non-precision approach, a precision approach, a missed approach, a circling approach, and landing from an instrument approach. Now, notice the note below the chart here. When it comes to Area of Operation 7, it says Tasks B and C are for multi-engine operations only. So you only have to complete those 2 tasks if you are doing an IPC in a multi-engine aircraft. Task B must be completed, and that's an approach with the loss of primary flight instrument indicators. Lastly, Area of Operations 8 wants you to cover all the tasks as well, but this only has 1 task, and that's checking your instruments and equipment. And as mentioned below, on this page, you can do all of this in an ATD, except for the circling approach.